Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching
John Dramani Mahama ene na pam for ene NDC for omo nwene Ghana ho amonte ase ye ka ebi amonte ase. So John Dramani Mahama, father of Doomsong, the man who incited violence in Bawku, the man who is making millions through violence in Bawku. Instead of ubeba abe patrosa sema okan wan kan yi be sine unkan, you have run away from it. You are not holding yourself accountable. Listen to all the things you said. Say ye chin crofo can say they are wishing the vice president dead. Then you should go. As he hold you responsible. When you 300 million Ghana cedis, say, Mode Koche to sanitary pad at students. Presidents, you are not just say, oh, you're irresponsible, but you don't need the state of the government, the country. Unim Total Family Health Organization, TFHO, Omo sanitary pad, your friend is secure sanitary pad. In fact, I think say omo 2 years in here. One of the best sanitary pads produced here in Ghana. Enti aden ena wonfa sika no enhyemu no momwa eno kohwe a omo sanitary pad no omo ye no omakọ the three northern regions are making sure say most people there enye obi an na eto na wo USID project no I cancel ye nti say ye cancel ye normal enhyere say president ewo nindie ana odwene oman ho say job creation 24-hour economy a eye azan a odi be dada nkrofo ba ben mu no so wo plans are ka secure sanitary pad upa ko hwehwe secure sanitary pad eye affordable quality no eye best ne busa the president could have invested a 300 million. It was sanitary pad business anymore. It would have given young people opportunity. A Beman Crawford baby could two atom. A be affordable. And the price because it's the cheapest sanitary pad on the market. Add them an intro. Add them an intro. President, be honest and sincere. Why? Be just honest and sincere for once. Mama Yariga must go. Mama Yariga, what profit from conflicts? Now, okay, can't go sas ni mampusi boom. Mu yusu. E cancel phone. Efa former Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. E cancel bibri. E din sem bibri tu no so. Ba won say amfa. Won say anko. Won baby abedu won say buaka usimo. Amount of money is why here from conflicts. How you have sabotaged your people, lied to them. The okachiromu. O President John Dramani Mahama so be na no NDC ba power. Sana mu de akoji mu akoye mu business. Emfa. Eno tumfo so mfa ne ho njim. Mu nkosa mo ade. Ubetun afred o ma hene. Ubetun afred to gbe afede. No mu nkoye. Yi tumfo free mu. Mampong, what is going on there? Niyetiha. Na Mutaka, Interior Minister still has put. Internal security agency Mutaka into me yeshi. But he is ready to let foreigners say you crew no ako. Do you mind you me? And you say ena nanado di Ghana no mao or di Ghana e mao na Ghana. Ye ne di ni. Until ye the needful. Mutaka must go. Some peace Beba Bokua Mahama Yarga has to leave, has to vacate the seats, has to leave the place because on a day sans and same way in Aba. Says the MPPB anyhow. What would they tribal politics, any partisan son no man, MY. development any here impuntu any here na sa nana I think say that Jantua or one shira Jantua no betina TV3 any nana ya Jantua no they are the most useless communicators or media people always attacking Baumia, always speaking ill, but you don't speak with facts and data. Butrimoka yemfe mumayo unim se oni bibi kan wanutum. Ghana will grow, Ghana will develop, Ghana be papa, and a Ghana be papa mobia. We don't wish President Mahama to fail, but he is allowing failure because he has become a lame duck. The incompetence na near come as he is reviving the incompetence. The incompetence, the death go syndrome no as a saba because gold aira, fake dollars be buy, cocaine, flights, all the soldier for air attack with fellow pass appointees. Why? No when you're dang. Court war the various security institutions where you use them. Shankrofo ani omse omuye BA na om address it say nkrofo omo prapra omuye adwuma zoom line om clean.
President Mahama, let me say no way you lose focus. Now yemu bi no the respect to pa into what ya or see yemu bi no yede anotum kakrama. Sa memu na obu no we ya wadwen say obetena ho ama sa megyanfi mu na be dictate ya mo papa you will leave a bad precedent ibimba. President Mahama, if you are not careful, you will be the worst ever president in the history of the whole of Africa. The way we are when you I say agro be eba weniso and agro weniso. Obey a president, not cement one bag, 80 cedis. She say I can say cement one bag, 200 cedis. Euro are jumping in 18. Any emergency, but why drink coho? A school for now promise you ice cream, no say ice cream and buy, why drink coho? Ghana for now promise you 24-hour economy, no almost say o budget name, why drink coho? Enyama wo ye nyinara akwese obia sabi why akwan what be dear mind or buying so and mine so Ghana for na to abama o Ghana for expecting something good from you baby I won nam just try me yento wase obaye ya hwa dia enyema hu hia ase party for no kubolo for na wo mu no enema o mo pushu say ye na wo ye and dem one say asofo na edin o mo nkasa e media na edin o mo nkasa e na monye careful